everybody, and welcome to another Friday with Friends. Today I'm going to be doing another blowout on a 10-inch round canvas, and my pillow that I'm putting down is PPG Multi-Pro in Eggshell. And the colors that I'm going to be using, I'm still stuck on that same color palette that I've been on. It's going to be Ultramarine Violet by Golden, Quinacridone Nickel Azo Gold by Golden, Master's Touch, Prussian Blue, and a mixture of TLP, Gilded, and Golden's Iridescent Bright Gold Fine. I've really been liking this color palette, so I'm continuing to use it. I've just about got to the end of this paint, so I may try something different next time, but I'm going to put on some music for you guys. Sit back and enjoy it, and I will be back with you near the end, and we'll see you then.
The blackbird inside your chest that calls on you to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly out of the darkness and into the light, higher and higher out of sight. The whisper inside your heart tells you let go. Time to leave the past. You did what you knew. Slow down and rest. You've been through a war. No one can hurt you anymore. Behind closed eyes, memories unfold. Hidden secrets. There's a song inside your soul, waiting to be heard. Sing it aloud, you've written every word. Oh, out of the silence and into the unknown. Louder, louder, let go. Behind closed eyes, unfold, hidden secrets, shimmering gold behind closed eyes, where the shadows play. There's no looking the other way. Just let the music play. Memories unfold, hidden secrets. blackbird inside your chest calls on you to cry. You decided it was time for him to fly. Is ripped to pieces in my chest. time. Oh, how long will I have to wait? How long have we been too late? Now I wish that we never met, so that I don't have to try to forget you. Drifting.
All right, well, I think this one turned out pretty cool. Take you guys in for a close-up. The cells in the middle got a little bit weird. Made some big kind of goofy cells, but I guess they're kind of cool in their own right. I love the way that gold plays through there. But once again, that nickel azo gold's kind of hiding in there. I don't see it a whole lot. You can make it out in a few places. But overall, I think this one turned out pretty good. And you guys remember, this is a collaboration. After me is going to be Mary from Acrylic Art by Mary Kirk. And after Mary is going to be Billy from BCC Art Studios. So make sure and check out all the videos in the playlist. Playlist will be listed in my description box below, as well as all the colors that I used and my pouring medium. But thank you guys for being here. Take care and hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you on the next one.